trading one system, one ticker, S&P 500 futures every single day for a full year. I'm going to journal every session to track the progress, reflect, and sharpen my execution. So today's Monday. Let's see. This is day 35. Made about $63.78 on the main account. On older accounts I'm trading on, I made about $849. See, that one account was $63.78. These are the other accounts that will copy trading on. Some accounts I'm running on multiple strategies, where this one is trading at 2 to 3 times the initial account, give or take. This one's trading at 2x the initial account. So they're all adding up together, makes up this much money. So today was a pretty good day. Been doing these journals pretty consistently so far for 35 days. The last 2 days of the trade journal, I think I published privately. So if you guys are on TradingView, you might not have seen it, but I am posting them. They're on my YouTube channel as well if you want to check them out. Let's go over the signal for today. Let's see what we could do better if we can go back in time and play the market perfectly today. So today we had a bullish market structure flip around 9:30, which means you want to buy the dip, go long. So bought that dip there, bought that dip there, right? That was market open from 9:30 to 9:40 ish. We were long. I actually longed that today. I played it pretty good. It caught up to here, closed it, and missed this whole entirety of this run. So then 9:40 we had a quick sell signal around here, which just gave us more opportunity to buy the dip there. So I did end up buying more dip there. So it got two contracts at that point and closed up around here. 11:11 we had another sell signal, but we're in bullish structure. So bullish structure sell signal means you want to take the opportunity, buy the dip at the next support. So if I could play that better, I would have probably should have taken an opportunity to buy the dip there at 67.30. Could have taken another opportunity to buy the dip there at 67.28, and kept like a 5 or 10 point stop loss. If it went downhill, so be it. If not, then it would keep going up. You do not want to short that because we're in bullish structure despite how far it has gone up. In hindsight, I didn't buy those dips because we had moved up so much. I was like, hey, let me get this pullback to MOB here, to buy the dip. It didn't pull back, so I was like, oh, wells. But in hindsight, if I were to play the signals better, that's how I would have done it. And then 12:09, which is around here, we had a DD buy signal, and those signals has been super accurate lately. That just kind of detects market maker buying there and accumulating. And when we see those signals, we ideally want to just buy and find a good area to buy. Unfortunately, there was no good area for me to buy, but in hindsight, if I could play better, I would have just clicked buy. And as you can see, we grind up from 67.37 to as high as 67.49. Overall, pretty strong move there. And then 113, we had another sell signal, which was like, hey, look for opportunity to buy the dip, because we're still in bullish market structure. And we did push up higher. Eventually, we did dip a little bit more around 2 o'clock from 67.51 to 67.44. The ideal level to have bought would have been at this support, which is 67.47. You wouldn't have caught the bottom, but you wouldn't have gone stop out either. And then naturally went higher to as high as 67.56.75. I know it hit 56.75 because it didn't hit 57 because I had an order to short at 57. So eventually, end of the day, there was no more signals left, but I did take a trade over here at 67.55, held that position for almost a whole hour before it eventually came back down. And that made majority of the money again for me at the end of the day. So it was overall a pretty good trading day. I think signals are pretty clean today, uh, depending on how you understood the signal. Don't always take sell signal as a sell signal. Take it as a buy in the dip opportunity if market structure is bullish. GEX was also extremely, extremely bullish today. If you look at the GEX volume, there was very, very high positive, which means when it's in high positive, it just means buyers just constantly stepping in to buy up. So you don't want to short into that kind of strength because it just means every time you get sold off, buyers will step in and pop up. So that's pretty much it on what happened today. And then as far as levels for tomorrow, things we're looking at are these 67.05 and 66.90. So 66.90. Oh, I actually got to move these up because these are from last week. So I'm going to move this to 67.05. That was from Friday. and then 66.90. Sadly, we haven't hit these levels for quite a while. I'm very disappointed. I would love to have seen some of these level hit, but we haven't hit them yet. So hopefully, maybe overnight we'll hit 67.05 if we're lucky, but I have highly unlikely because that's very far away. Um, I mean, honestly, maybe I should even move it to 67.31s or even like 67.20s. Even that is unlikely. But I'll keep it here because these are moving average levels. And if we continue to hold these levels, if we come back and we hold this level, I expect us to remain bullish. If we break both of these levels, then I want to short the resistance. I want to short all these levels for rejections for further downtrend if we break those levels. So that's pretty much it. I hope this was helpful. Hope you guys made money this week or last week. It's been a pretty good run so far. We shouldn't be losing money. If we are, check your risk management, check your strategy, find out what's your edge. And thank you for watching and following, and have a great night.